the future of digital vending machine purchases by phone.
You mean NFC payments?
Making your vending machines NFC, near-field communication, chip compatible will give you the potential to greatly expand your sales. The technology, which is currently found in certain new smartphones, is expected to become much more common in the coming months.
By jumping on the trend now, you will be able to attract customers who may not even be carrying money. The phone acts as a wallet and a direct link to debit and credit cards, which enabling more people who walk by to make a purchase.
Also, because it is digital, the money within the machine does not need to harvest it in the traditional way as frequently.
This makes the vending machine less likely to become the victim of theft due to the lack of physical money. Studies also show that people are more willing to spend more money when they are not handling physical bills.
By implementing this system, you will likely be able to attract customers who might not make a non-essential purchase like soda or candy, had they been handling traditional currency.